Hi, this is Sherry Torkis. I'm here at Palm Oil Nutrition Week, and I had the great pleasure and opportunity to meet Dr. Monoroma from India, who was raising some important awareness on an issue that is near and dear to her heart. Thank you very much for chatting with me. Can you tell everybody a little bit about the issue with vitamin A deficiency in India and how that's impacting people?
Yeah, vitamin A deficiency has been a major public health problem all over the world, mostly in the developing countries, where there are a lot of below poverty line population existing, still living on a hand-to-mouth existence. So they don't have enough food sources of vitamin A in their diet. The mother is deprived of vitamin A during her pregnancy, and then when she gives birth to a baby, a fetus who has not had adequate liver stores, that baby becomes a vitamin A deficient child. And even though there have been intervention programs being implemented by the government, they're just not enough because the numbers are too high. And here in Malaysia, we have a huge resource of red palm oil, which we researched on in the 90s. And this red palm oil can be the answer to vitamin A deficiency all over the world.
You know, after listening to your presentation, I felt very emotional just to hear how many children and people in general are suffering the adverse health effects of vitamin A deficiency, something that we would think in today's day and age would have a simple solution. So for people that are viewing this, what advice can you give or suggestions for somebody who would want to get involved and support this cause?
It is as simple as trying to provide red palm oil to those countries who are deprived of vitamin A rich foods, or whose population cannot afford to buy vitamin A rich foods.
And you bring up the red palm oil because it's such a rich source of
It's
the
a
carotenoids,
concentrated,
the beta-carotene.
It's a concentrated source, and beta carotene is fat soluble, and this is naturally present in fat. So unlike the other vegetables like carrots or green leafy vegetables, which are low in fat, red palm oil is a fat medium in which carotene is dissolved. It's natural medium. So its bioavailability will be very high.
And is there any organizations where people can go for more information if they would like to donate or support your cause?
The Micronutrient Initiative in Canada is involved in eradication of micronutrient deficiencies like vitamin A, iron and iodine. They are at present focusing on vitamin A drops being distributed to the children. But the logistics are not very efficient because one cannot really reach the population, and these are the kind of illiterate people who don't know that they have to go back every 6 months to take the vitamin A drops, which get depleted in 6 months in their liver. So whether they're reaching out to the same people and whether they're protecting the child throughout until 6 years of age, when they're more vulnerable to this deficiency, is a question mark. And the population is too huge for us to collect the data.
You know, this is hopefully something that we can work on raising awareness, and hopefully some solutions can be found, whether it's through providing red palm oil or supplemental measures to these children in need in India and other developing countries. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.